Hello traders, in this particular video I'm going to be showing you how to find trade server in MT4 or MT5. Okay, so the trade server connects your MetaTrader platform to your broker's trading system. If you need to log in to an account or troubleshoot connection issues, you may need to know the correct server name. All right, MT4 and MT5 allow you to find and confirm the server connected to your account. So the first step is to check the login window. On your MT4 or MT5 platform, just click on File, Login to Trade Account. A login window will appear showing the fields for login, password, and server. Now, the server field displays the server connected to your trading account. Okay, so the next step is to view your server list. Just click on the server drop-down menu. This will display a list of available trading servers provided by your broker, right? Okay, so in this case, since I'm using MT5, this is showing a variety of servers across different brokers. So let's just go to a specific broker. So you're gonna see the servers available for that broker, right? You can see, so this now is broker specific, right? So you're going to see the servers available. Each server may have a slightly different name depending on the account type, right? Now you have to ensure that your server is currently connected to your account. Okay, look at the bottom right corner. Okay, the bottom right corner of the platform where the connection status appears. All right, hovering over the connection, indicator may display details about the active server. You can see, right, connection status. Okay, all right, so you can see that, right? Now the fourth step is to confirm server information with your broker. If you are unsure which server to use, check the account registration email that was sent to you by your broker. The message typically includes your account number, password, trading server name, right? Those three informations are usually included. Okay, so a quick recap for you: to find your trade server in MT4 and MT5, just click on File, Login to Trade Account, check the server field, view the available server list, confirm details with your broker if necessary. Okay, knowing the correct server helps ensure your platform connects properly to your trading account. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.